temple. Wow. This is the Karni temple. Look at that. This is the other side of the temple. Oops. Nice, look at that beautiful picturesque mountain, icy mountain with this view of the temple. This is the mother of Armenia. Nice. Just gonna walk here. Fire. Back in the hotel. I'm back in the hotel now. I don't know. I wanna just rest and nest. I have arrived. I'm just gonna nest and rest. Pahinga lang muna. It's been like a long day. I wake up early also. Oh my goodness. I arrived at the hotel like 4 or 5 p.m. and then I fell asleep right away. And I just woke up right now like 7:30 right now. And I'm planning to go to the Republic Square to grab some dinner, pero tinatamad talaga ako lumabas. For some reason, I don't know, I felt like I wanted to rest here. But magugutom naman ako mamaya. I'm trying to search also si Google Maps, restaurant near me. May malapit naman pero tinatamad ako maglakad. Maybe magpunta na lang ako ng Rio Mall they are open until 10. Same food court na kinainan ko kagabi. Baka ganun na lang yung gawin ko. And let's see. For tomorrow, I still don't have plan. Maybe tonight, pag may energy na. Kasi parang, just woke up feels. Yun. So, yun na lang muna. Okay, I'm going out to grab some dinner. Currently, like 8 p.m. I'm going to Rio Mall to eat dinner. This is the night. Buti nagka-energy akong lumabas. Kasi kanina tamad na tamad. Like hell. Rio Mall. This is the Rio Mall at night. Liliban tayo. Kain muna tayo sa Rio Mall. Tapos after that, maglakad-lakad tayo dun sa other side to explore. This is their movie area. Some donut here and kids lunch. Oh, some skating stuff as well. And then that's the food court. Yun. Oh, mga nag-skating. We also have candies here. Cassandra would love that. And some pabango. Some damitan din. Oh, naka-sale. And Uno shoes over there. And this one. Mga pang bagets. KFC over there. Pizza Hut. And the other side is this one. Ano kayo masarap? Dito ako kumain kagabi eh. Dito na lang siguro ako today. Parang gusto ko itong 1-4. Tsaka istiko. Waiting for my food now. My food has arrived. This one and this one. Looks delicious naman. I love the pasta, but this one I don't taste any shrimp. Yum yum. I'm done eating. Nakalabas na ako, busog na. So we will just gonna explore the other side of the city. I want to buy this. I will try it in the truth. I mean, when I went back to Dubai, I try. And I'm looking for a sausage. A ham. I'm looking for a ham. Should I buy this one now? Paano ba ito? Okay, I'll try this one for 7 dirham. Ito pala yung palitan kanina. Nawalan ako ng cash. Get the goods. I'll be trying this one in Dubai. This is my hotel. But I'm just gonna walk there to explore the city. Good thing my jacket are so many pockets. I have my water here. And the binili ko na siomai. And my wallet and my phone is here. Yan. Walking lang ako dito. Explore the city. Hindi mo na ako uwi. Kasi nakatulog din ako kanina. Diba? So wala na pa akong itutulog. Saan maganda pumunta? Dito, dito, or dito. Dito na lang. Walking time lang tayo. Explore the city. Explore lang. A milk tea. Shall I try?
Plus boba.
Okay. But it has boba already, or shall I add?
Aran sila.
If I don't add, no boba.
No boba. As ka lagi na.
Okay, I just passed by to this milk tea shop. And it cost me 29 dirhams, like 26 dirhams. Thai fresh milk tea. Milk tea time.
No?
I'm done with my milk tea, so continue walking. All of the shops are quite closed now. So, let's see. Build up in the city. Siguro ito yung mga restaurant na near me na sinasuggest ng Google. Hindi na ako nakapunta. Baka bukas punta tayo sa mga restaurant na ganito. Nung bukas pa sila. Tomorrow, let's see. Meron din pala dito. gatas din. Maybe I should go back to the hotel na. Lahat sarado na, almost close yung ibang shop. Okay. Sarado na kasi eh. So go back na tayo. Okay, update! I just finished my shower and my pajamas. Maliligo na. Matutulog na ako in a few. Nanonood ako ng Showtime. And tomorrow, let's see what will happen. Maybe a free will. I will just do DIY or let's see. I don't know. Let's plan tomorrow after the breakfast. After this, I'm just gonna sleep and let's call it a day.